guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another like behind the scenes of my planner sticker shop. You guys seem to really like those videos. They're some of my highest viewed videos here on YouTube, so I wanted to do more for you guys, and it's the first one of 2019. I'm really excited. Today's project, we are working on $2 Tuesday stickers, and I'm going to do some listing photos for those, and I'm also going to be designing them, so it's going to be like showing you guys that. So that is what today's behind the scenes video is gonna look like. I have a ton of ideas for $2 Tuesday this week. So I'm gonna show you guys in my little, what is this? In my planner, I have it planned out, the stickers that I wanna release for $2 Tuesday. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and then we're gonna get started in that. But like started designing those things. I can't talk today. Sorry guys, my hair. But before I get into that, I want to do a series all about getting started with planner stickers and how to make stickers and how to run a shop and those kind of things. I get a lot of questions on these type of videos, like how I do that, the supplies I use, all that sort of stuff. So I want to do a whole series for you guys this year. I really want to dig more into that and to help you guys. If you guys want to start a shop or you're just curious, I want to give you guys that information. So what I want to know is, what do you guys want to see? My hair is driving me crazy, I'm so sorry. What do you guys want to see in this series? I want to take like each question and make it into like a video, you know? So like, for instance, what supplies I use, I want to do a whole video on that, and like, you know, but I want to know what topics do you guys want me to talk about in those videos. I think right now I have my little notebook from Erin Condren, and I'm writing down my YouTube video ideas. This notebook is all about YouTube. So I think right now my video schedule, don't hold me to it. Well, you should hold me to it. But right now what I have planned out is on Sundays I want to do like my Etsy series. On Tuesdays, I want to do more lifestyle, such as like clean with me's, decluttering, stuff like that, because I'm still really passionate about that and really love those videos, so I want to continue to do them. Thursdays are going to be a plan with me or like planner related, so like I need to do a planner flip through. I want to do a plan with me, or if I have any Etsy hauls or anything, that's when those videos are going to go up. And then Fridays are going to be new releases for my shop, because that's when I put new releases in my shop. So that's going to be my Friday video. So that's my plan so far for 2019. Of course, it may change. Sorry, I'm like in front of that window and I feel like it's too bright, but then I don't know. Is that lighting better? Maybe, I don't know. So anyway, that is my plan for my YouTube channel this year. So let me know what you guys want to see as far as like Etsy behind the scenes content, because I really want to make a good like series to help you guys start making stickers if you guys are interested in that. So let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see, and let's get into today's behind the scenes video. So starting out, I needed to find a good font for the script stickers, which were the $2 Tuesday stickers that I was working on. And I've never found like the perfect script type font. So I went to creativemarket.com. That's where I get a lot of my fonts. You can get like stuff bundled. You can get like licensing for it and everything. So it's a really great website. They have other stuff besides fonts. They have like different photos and graphics that you can use as well. So I really, really like Creative Market. Is one of my top websites when like looking for stuff to design stickers. You can also check out thehungryjpeg.com. They have some good stuff as well, but I pretty much just stick with creativemarket.com, and I like buy so many fonts on this website. I love this website so much, so I highly recommend, definitely go check it out, because it is like a sticker maker's dream website website. Currently, I'm having the hardest time finding a font that I want to use. I'm kind of picky with my fonts, and I want to do script stickers, and I want it to be like obviously like script font. But it's just like so hard to find like exactly what I'm looking for, and I think I found one that I like, so I purchased it. And hopefully it works and we can start working on designing because it is 10:51 and I feel like I've accomplished 0 things today. But I know it's just because like I'm trying to take my time. I don't want to rush it, you know? I want it to be like perfect. So I'm installing the font now to see if I like it, and we'll go from there. So good news, I like this font. I think it's gonna work for my script stickers, and now I can actually start designing script stickers because I have a list of like 10 different kinds of script stickers I want to make this week. So I really need to get on it because I have to do them, and then I also have to do the listing photos and get them ready for tomorrow. So let's do this. So in order to do my to-do script, I needed to pull the size from another file. So that's basically what I'm doing here with these cleaning stickers. I'm gonna delete those, but I wanted the sheet size to be the same. So I went ahead and pulled that from the other file. That's what I'm doing here if you guys are wondering. But to make the to-do script stickers, all you have to do is type out what you want, like put it in the font that you want, and then size the stickers the way you want, do the offset, make sure the size of the offset is the size of the sticker that you want. I know that might sound confusing if you're like, what the heck is an offset? I don't even know. If you guys want to see a whole like tutorial on how to do script stickers, let me know in the comments below. It's pretty easy, but I also know that like if you have no idea what I'm talking about, like it's going to be so confusing. So let me know if you guys want to see a whole tutorial on that. But script stickers are some of the easiest stickers to do because it's literally just typing out what you want. But yeah, they're pretty easy. But let me know if you want to see a whole tutorial on it. And then once I had the sheet the way that I wanted, I just filled up the page, and there you go. That's basically it. So I just finished the print and cut test for the $2 Tuesdays. These are the Payday Scripts. These are kind of small, but I like them because you can fit them in like any planner. They don't take up a ton of room, but they're just like cute little Payday Scripts. So I'm currently working on the rest of my to-do list. So I need to do Happy Meal, Day Off, Family Time, No School, Snow Day, and Self-Care Day. And then I'll be done with $2 Tuesday. And then I have to, why is my camera not wanting to focus? Then I'll have to do the listing photos for that. So that's what I'm doing currently. So far it's been a pretty productive day once I found the right font that I wanted. So it is 11:48. I'm hoping to get all these script stickers done by like 12:30. They're not taking me that long, and then I can have some lunch. I can do the listing photos, and then what else is on my to-do list? I don't know. I need to list some more multicolored stickers on Etsy, which those I just have to do like the listings. The photos are done since they're actually on our website, but I decided to move them over to Etsy, so I need to do that. And then I'll need to go to Walgreens later, which I'm not doing that right now. I need to order stuff from Amazon, and I really want to film another video, so we'll see if that happens or not. I don't know. Kind of just depends on how I'm feeling once I get all this stuff done. Oh, and then I got an order earlier, so I might try to get that taken care of. So yeah, all right. I will check in with you guys later once I finish all these script stickers, and I'll show you how I do my photos and everything. So I feel like this is like, I feel like I'm just trying to get back into YouTube and like how to do things, because I had like a 2-week break almost because of being sick. So now I'm like, I don't remember how to do this. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna go do, and hopefully we can get it all done and I can show you guys, and it'll be awesome. So I know that this setup isn't that great. If you guys want to see a full tutorial on how I do this, I can do like a screen recording and like have a better view of it up close, more up close and personal with you guys. But basically what I like to do is I like to crop just like the little sheet, and then I drag it over to my like background that I have. I'll size the sheet the way that I want it, and then I put like an outline, like a gray outline around it, and that's basically how I do that. There's obviously more steps involved, but I feel like that's the easiest way to just tell you that like I just crop it. I actually like draw a box around it, then I do the inverse tool, and then I like trim it and cut it, and so there's quite a few more steps than what I'm actually like saying. But if you guys want to see like a full tutorial, let me know in the comments below. I know other shops have other ways of doing this. This is just what I've been doing, what works for me, and I really like this way. It can be a pain sometimes, but overall I think it's just the best way for me to do my photos. And once I had all of the photos done for the listings, I just went ahead and went to my Shopify and started doing the listings over there. So how I do my listings is I basically have something in the description box already typed out, and then I will like duplicate each listing, if that makes sense, and I'll change like the name of it to be whatever the sticker is for that listing, and I'll change the photo, and I'll change just a couple of details in the description to fit that product description. But that way pretty much everything, like all of my social media and like the basic descriptions, are already there, and it just makes my life a whole lot easier. You don't have to just keep typing out all that stuff all the time. Okay guys, so I pretty much showed you everything that I did today. I'm tired. I didn't show this, but I did go ahead and put up $2 Tuesday listings on Etsy. So everything is live and ready to go, so that's exciting. But I think I'm gonna wrap up today's vlog here, just so we can start fresh in the next Etsy vlog. I'm probably gonna show you guys new release day. You guys want to see that? I can film that like on Friday and show you guys like how we go about that. I don't even know. Anyway, but I am gonna end this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see, like what behind the scenes stuff do you want to see, what topics do you want me to talk about, all that. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe and hit the bell notification if you want to be notified anytime that I upload. So that is it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.